Why, hello everybody. Welcome back. This is Captain Mikey with another unboxing video. And I am super stoked about this one. So, what did I get? What's in the box? So, before I get into it, make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and comment and enjoy the video. So, what do we got in the box? We have the Roccat Torch studio grade microphone. I ordered it on Amazon. It retails for about 99 US dollars. But at the time of recording this video, I did get it on sale for about $84 plus tax. So, let's open this up, shall we? Before I actually open this, a little bit about this thing. It is boom arm compatible. It does have lighting effects, like neon lighting effects, which I will go in more of that later. It's got 24-bit audio quality, and it's got mixer controls. And like I said, it is studio grade. So let's open this up. I'm very excited about this. Haha. So what does it come with? It comes with USB-C to USB-C. It comes with a microphone USB to USB-C cord. And it also comes with a longer version of a USB-C to USB-C cable. Set of instructions. And the microphone itself. Let me get that right up there. So you got a headphone jack here, USB-C outlet here, another USB-C outlet here. That's for the microphone, so you can attach it to the computer. This is plug and play. And then I think these are volume controls, or either that or mixer. It's got a brightness button. You can swivel, angle it if you wish. And on this side, it has a mixer soundboard. You got a gain control. You have a volume button. You have a mute microphone button as well on this, but also you can also do a contactless mute microphone. Now, from what I saw, you just wave your hand over it and it automatically senses your hand movement and it mutes it for you. You also have a pattern, which is cardioid, stereo, and whisper pickup pattern, so that you can whisper into the microphone and it will pick it up. Also, this thing has a pop filter in it. So, let's set it up and see what it's all about. Alright, so now I have it all set up and ready to go. So let me show you guys what this thing does. This is, like I said earlier, the gain control. If you slide it up or down, if you look at the sides here, the colors, they'll go down, or if you turn the gain up, the lights go up. This here is the volume control. And then it's got a mute button, just like that. And when I put it on mute, it turns the microphone lights red. So unmute it. And if you look here, right where my finger is, it displays it as live or mute. And then another cool function, like I was saying, the where you don't have to touch the mute button, you could just use your hand to wave over it. So watch this. See? I didn't even have to touch the mic and it went on mute. And then I could just do it again like that to unmute it. So right now I have it set on the quiet mode. So quiet mode is blue. And then cardioid, I believe, is green. And then stereo is purple. At least I think I have that right. Yep, I got it right. So, let's, oh, yeah, it kind of goes back too a little bit. So this is how it's plugged in. And this button I found out is actually the range button for the, when you do the mute. So this means that it won't work. You have, and then this here is low range, or I don't know, however that works. And then this is high range. Yeah, there we go. So yeah. And this is brightness right here. Now for some microphone sound quality checks. This is a test. Gain is at 50% on stereo mode. Now, this is sound quality check for cardioid mode. Gain 50%. This is a sound quality check for whisper mode. Gain is 50%. Alright everybody, that's the end of that. It's looking pretty good if you ask me. So everybody, please like and subscribe to my channel. And hit that bell button so you guys can keep up to date with all my latest videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.